we're not going to be able to use the gases when we're practicing. So what you're going to have to do is just kind of, you can fill up the bag with your own air too, but this syringe, you can fill air up. So like when this is like this, you see how it's open and air just goes in and out? Well, you need to turn it this way, so that way air goes in and then in the bag. The little blue arrow kind of tells you. Just fill it up with some air.
Like that.
Yeah, usually it's got exactly 5 liters in it, but get some air in it. Yeah. Just like this again. Just to, kind of get it big so you get the general idea. And then we'll go like this. All right, who's going to be the demonstrator first? All right, so go ahead and use the valve. So I know you guys did it in lab, it'll just be kind of a little bit different. So I'm teaching you guys how to do this. So you're my client, and you have your bag, which I believe you guys will already have your bags filled up, if I remember correctly. You won't have to fill them yourself. This is going to go right on here. So this is connected to the Pneumatech, right? And that's what's going to help analyze. So if you connect it onto here, and you look at like the little holes going in here and out here. So it's sampling room air right now. So what's going to happen is you're going to click on residual volume, RV. We're pretending like everything's analyzed. You've got your subject here, and you filled your bag. So you're ready to start. So now what you're going to do is you're going to explain everything to your subject. So you're going to say, this is a residual volume. We're going to do a hydro to estimate your body composition later. And when you go under the hydro tank and you exhale out all of that air, there's going to be a little bit of air left in your lungs. Well, that little bit of air is going to cause you to float. And that floating is going to overestimate your body fat. So what we're going to do is measure how much air is in your lungs so we can take that into account when we do the hydrostatic weighing, and it'll be more accurate. So you've let your client know why what you're doing. So what this is called is the nitrogen washout method. So in the air, you have oxygen, CO2, and nitrogen that you're breathing in. Well, your body doesn't utilize nitrogen. So in this bag is 100% oxygen. So when you're rebreathing it, you're going to notice. Now this is where it's going to be a little bit different. When you actually do this, you're going to notice this line kind of just droop all the way down, because I'm going to turn this knob and then it's going to sample the bag. And remember, the bag is 100% oxygen, so there's no nitrogen. So this line's going to go all the way down. And then, so that's where I'll start you off, and then I'll kind of go through the test and show you what it would look like, but what it's going to look like now. So go ahead and have a seat. What you're going to do is put this nose clip on your nose. This is going to be tightly sealed around your mouth, so at no time are you going to let go. So go ahead and hold on to that. And just breathe normally. Nice tight seal. You might want to hold it on this side, because I'm going to have to turn knobs on this side. Perfect. Otherwise your subject's hands are going to get in your way. So the test is going. Resume. Alright, so you're breathing normal. What I'm going to have you do, so I'm going to turn this knob right here. Turning this knob samples from the bag. Now what you'll notice is this line will drop all the way down. Once this line drops all the way down, say, alright, go ahead and exhale out all of your air. Go ahead and exhale out all of it. When all of it's out, give me a thumbs up. When it's all out, press start, turn this knob, breathe. Nice and deep, little faster, little deeper than normal. Little faster, little deeper than normal. And what you'll notice is this will then, oops, it didn't start, so it should start. You'll notice this will go up and down, up and down, up and down. And you can go ahead and stop. It's nice and level. We'll just pretend that it's level. So go ahead and take your mouth off.
Can I cough?
Yeah. You end the trial. Okay. So remember, this part usually has the lines going up and down. It levels out. You measure the two lines in between, and it gives you an RV. Now, of course, our RV is incorrect. It's 0.39. So what we're going to do is we have to make sure that two are within at least 5%.
5%.
So you click, so you have to do more. So you just click OK. Please fill a bag. You get another bag. OK. You do the second test the same way we just did. End the test. So what would happen is you'd have trial 1, trial 2, trial 3. If you had trials within 5%, it's going to be right here. There's going to be a number here.
Okay.
If there isn't a number there, that means you need to do more trials because you don't have 2 within 5%. So you're going to go more trials. If you do have 1 within 5%, it'll say right here, it'll say RV 1.45. That's your RV. That's what you write down. You're all done. Does that make sense? Good.
Awesome.
All right.
I'm going to put it on YouTube, so.
Oh boy.
Do you mind?
I should have practiced.